You're watching Sarcoma TV. Knowledge is power.
Another new technology that's recently been integrated that is a real game changer for us in cancer treatment is called expression testing. And so basically, expression testing looks at something called messenger RNA. And messenger RNA is an intermediate that, that takes the coding from the DNA and gets translated into a protein, the final product of the DNA, the coding of the gene and what it produces. So what we do is we look at the amount of messenger RNA, and each strand of messenger RNA can be counted literally. And we look at that for a specific gene, and we compare that with normal tissues. So let's say your RNA is supposed to be, or your RNA for a certain gene in normal tissues is supposed to accumulate at a certain amount. And then if your cancer is overactivating those genes, then you're going to see a lot more of that. So you're going to see a much higher amount of the gene product in the cancer cells. Or if it's a tumor suppressor gene, you're going to see a much lower amount of that gene product, the messenger RNA. So it's a great way to tell which genes are being turned on that shouldn't be, and which genes are being turned off, and which genes are being overexpressed or turned on too much compared to your normal tissues. And that also allows us to target the cancer cells with specific drugs. So one of the tests we use is called Omicure. It's an RNA-seq test, and it looks at 20,000 different genes, and it allows us to determine what genes are overexpressed in the cancer and what genes are underexpressed, and therefore what sort of drugs are going to be important to you.
Thank you for watching Sarcoma TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.